Basque Country. It has a beautiful countryside. It has the sea, it has the mountains. It's perfect for people, for outdoorsy people. I am definitely one of them, and that's what I really like about it. I think the Basque food is famous all over the world, and it's definitely worth it. It's very good. Quality of life in the Basque Country is very high. As I've mentioned before, you have very good food. The countryside is really beautiful. You can do any type of sport. People are very outgoing, so you get to interact a lot, especially when the weather is good and the life is basically in the streets everywhere. Yeah, I would definitely say that there's a very high quality of life in the Basque Country. Be Basque.